Hello traders, before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so today we are looking at the ForexPerk EA for MT4 and MT5. This is a multi-pair automated trading system. So let's research what it offers and give you a balanced view. So I have the official website open, and from what I've seen, it claims to be a versatile expert advisor that works across multiple currency pairs. It uses a combination of technical indicators and algorithmic rules to identify trading opportunities in different market conditions. So they claim consistency with low drawdowns, and that they use multiple built-in indicators and price action to place with the highest probability of success. And according to them, if the trade still goes negatively, the recovery strategy will make sure to recover the trade using dollar cost average and hedging. Those are quite hefty claims, so it's important to take them with a pinch of salt, as dollar cost averaging and hedging are actually high risk strategies, and you should only rely on them or rely on the EA to use those strategies if you're very sure and comfortable with those strategies and know how to implement it as a part of your broader risk management strategy. So the system is designed for both trending and ranging markets with built-in risk management tools. The developer highlights its adaptability and the ability to run on various time frames. It's available for both MT4 and MT5 platforms, making it accessible for most traders. Alright, so the features include multiplayer support, adaptive entry logic, risk percentage based lot sizing, stop loss and trailing stop options, and session filters. The inputs allow customization for different trading styles and risk tolerance. So it's positioned as a user-friendly yet powerful EA suitable for intermediate traders looking for automated diversification across forex pairs. Okay, so they claim automated trading with verified results, and that the results have been verified since 2021. They offer 24/7 support, and they claim that if you don't make a profit within 14 days using their recommended settings, they will give you 100% refund. These are actually very high claims, but like I said, you need to take everything on the developer's page with a pinch of salt, as this could be part of a marketing strategy and not actually um, verifiable. So they claim to be fully confident in their strategy, and that's why they are offering a free trial without any sign up or commitment. So you can just download the MT4 MT5 platform from any broker and follow the installation guide, and also feel free to contact the supports anytime. So here's the link for download, so you can check that out and check out how it works for you before considering using it in a live account. Right, so there are some screenshots provided on the developer site as well. As you can see, it looks pretty decent. The front gain of 217.2%, and the equity curve actually looks nice. You can see steady growth across the graph. So compared to single pair EAs, the perk of broader coverage comes with the challenge of managing correlated risks. The adaptive features aim to handle this, but real results vary. Honestly, the features that matter most are conservative risk settings per pair, careful pair selection to avoid high correlation, and thorough demo testing. No EA works perfectly across all market conditions. As for the nuances, multi-pair EAs can suffer from correlated drawdowns during risk-off events. Broker spreads, swaps, and execution quality differ across pairs. Over-optimization is a common pitfall. In practice, start with very small risks and monitor overall exposure regularly. Firm rules may limit this type of trading. So who is it actually for? This suits experienced traders comfortable with multiple automation who actively monitor performance and can handle periods of drawdown. It's good for diversification if tested properly. You should probably avoid this EA if you're a beginner, if you have a small account, or if you prefer single pair focus, or even if you dislike managing broader exposure. So overall, ForexPerk EA offers a versatile multi-pair approach with standard risk tools. It has potential for traders who understand diversification risks, but like all EAs, it requires realistic expectations, proper setup, and ongoing evaluation. Always test extensively on demo with your broker before any live use. Alright, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to cover next. Once again, remember that it's probably advisable that you download and test the EA properly before use on a demo account before using it on a live account. Also, don't forget to grab that free Forex robot on the description. It has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in, and it could come in pretty handy. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.